Don't miss this video. This 2 minutes video will change your entire life. Do you feel stressed, anxious, or emotionally exhausted? No matter how much you try to stay positive, are your relationships confusing, heavy, or constantly triggering you? Do you feel blocked, like no matter what you manifest, nothing really changes? That's not because you are weak, it is because your emotional energy is overloaded. Unreleased emotions, past trauma, and subconscious blocks keep your nervous system in survival mode. And when your energy is blocked, love feels hard, anxiety increases, manifestation stops. I am Coach Urooj, a certified life coach. I help people release emotional blocks, calm the nervous system, heal relationships, and align their energy with abundance, all through personalized one-on-one session. If you are tired of overthinking, if you are done feeling stuck, if you are ready to change, book your private session now www.coachwithurooj, and in description there is a WhatsApp number. You can directly contact me.